let me know once you're heading out. Period. Thanks.